5 kilograms is how many milligrams? 36 centimeter is how many meters? Oh, so confusing this is. Dear friends, today let us learn an easy trick for metric measures conversion. For this, we need to know these measures in an order. And to know these measures in an order, we need to know a trick. So let's learn it in the form of a rhythm. Kilo, hecto, decagram, deci, centi, milligram. Kilo, hecto, decameter, deci, centi, millimeter. Kilo, hecto, decaliter, deci, centi, millimeter. So you can remember this order using this rhythm. Let's revise it once again. You can use these initials to remember this order. Remember, capital D is for deca and small d is for deci. Let's revise it once again. Kilo, hecto, decagram, deci, centi, milligram. Kilo, hecto, decameter, deci, centi, millimeter. Kilo, hecto, decaliter, deci, centi, milliliter. I'm sure the order is now fit into your head. Let us apply this trick to solve these examples. So here you can see to the left side there are bigger units and to the right side there are smaller units. For example, kilogram is a bigger unit, gram is a smaller unit, milligram is still smaller, right? So as you are moving from left to right, you are heading from bigger unit to a smaller unit. Now what you have to keep in mind is, when you are moving from left to right, you have to multiply by 10, 100, 1000 and so on. For example, when you are moving from kilogram to hectogram, you will multiply by 10 because you are moving just one place to the right. When you will be moving from kilogram to gram, just check how many places you will move to the right. 1, 2, 3. So you will have to multiply by 1000. If you are moving 4 places to the right, you will multiply by 10,000 and so on. I'm sure you have understood this. Now let's solve this. 1 kilogram is equal to how many grams? So from kilogram here to grams you have to move, right? So let's see how many places we have to move. 1, 2, 3, correct? So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. You put 3 zeros after 1. So now if 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams, 5 kgs is how many grams? Yes, you guessed it right. 5000 grams. Now let's do this one. 1 gram is equal to how many milligrams? So here you can see gram is written here, milligram is written here, right? So moving from left to right, let's see how many places you'll have to move. 1, 2, 3. So if you're moving 3 places to the right, you have to multiply by 1000. So 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. So here 12 grams, how many milligrams? Yes, 12 into 1000, which is equal to 12,000 milligrams. Now let's do this one. 1 liter is equal to how many milliliters? So you can see liters here and milliliters here. So again, we have to move from liters to milliliters. 1, 2, 3 places, right? So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. So 5 liters is how many milliliters? Simple, multiplied by 1000. So 5000 milliliters, right? Now see the next one. 1 kilometer is equal to how many centimeters? Now for this, let us check how many places we'll have to move. So here it's kilometer and here it is centimeter, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you'll have to move 5 places to the right. So how many zeros will you put after 1? Yes, 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see 1 kilometer is equal to 1 lakh centimeter. So 6 kilometers is equal to 6 lakhs centimeter. Now let's understand this one. 1 kilogram is equal to how many decagrams? DAG stands for decagrams. So here you can see kilogram and here it is decagram. So how many places you have to move here now? 1, 2. So you will multiply by 100 because you have just moved 2 places to the right. So 1 kg is equal to 100 decagrams. So 8 kgs is equal to, yes, 800 decagrams. I am sure now you have understood whenever you are moving from left to right, you have to go on multiplying by 10, 100, 1000 and so on. Now let us understand the conversions from smaller units to bigger units. You have to keep in mind that when you are moving from right to left, you have to go on dividing. Dividing by 10 if you are moving 1 place to the left, dividing by 100 if you are moving 2 places to the left and so on. Now look at this example. 1 meter is equal to how many kilometers? So you can see meters here, kilometers to the left. So here you will have to move 1, 2, 3 places to the left, right? So here 1 meter you will divide by 1000 to convert it into kilometers. So 1 upon 1000 kilometers is equal to 1 meter. So 700 meters, if you have to convert into kilometers, what are you going to do? 700 upon 1000. So you can see these zeros will get cancelled and 7 upon 10 is equal to 0.7. So you will get 700 meters is equal to 0.7 kilometers. I am sure you people are understanding this. Now let's do the next example. 1 centimeter is equal to how many meters? So you can see centimeter here and meters here. So what you are going to do? You are going to move 2 places to the left. 1, 2. So you have to divide by 100 to convert from centimeter to meter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meters. So 6 centimeter will be equal to 6 upon 100, which is equal to 0.06 meters. Now let's have a look at this next one. 1 deciliter is equal to how many liters? So you can see deciliter here and liter here. So what you have to do? Move 1 place to the left. So here you will divide by 10. So 1 upon 10 liters is equal to 1 deciliter. So 5 deciliters will be equal to 5 upon 10, which is equal to 0.5 liters. Now let's have a look at this next one. 1 hectogram is equal to how many kilograms? So you can see hectogram here, kilograms here. So you have to move 1 place to the left to convert from hectogram to kilogram. So you have to divide by, yes, you've guessed it right, divide by 10. So 1 upon 10 I'll write here. So 20 hectograms is equal to how many kilograms? 10, which is equal to 2 kilograms. Now let's understand this last example. 1 milliliter is equal to how many deciliters? So you can see milliliter here and deciliter here. So how many places? 1, 2. So here you will divide by 100. So 1 upon 100. So 6 milliliter you will have to divide by 100 to convert it into deciliters. Now 6 upon 100 is equal to 0.06 deciliters. I am sure you have understood this. So now here you have to keep in mind that while moving from right to left, you have to go on dividing by 10, 100, 1000 and so on. I am sure you must be finding it easier now to convert the metric measures. If you find this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.